Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel, rowdixTv! Yes, rowdixTV at your service! Alright, for today's video guys, I'm so excited again to react another Manipur song! Wow, another Manipur song. There's a lot of Manipur song requested on my channel guys. So, by the way, the title of this Manipur song is Lakle Lakle Yaoshang. Yes, Yaoshang. Yaoshang official music video. And it was uploaded by Tantha. Tantha, thank you so much, Tantha, for allowing me to react this kind of Manipur song. So, before we start, make sure that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction of video. So, without further ado guys, let's get now and watch the video. What's happening here? Group of ladies, a group of guys here. Wow. That's right, the title is Lakle Lakle. Very colorful here, guys. I like the colorful here. Very colorful presentation. I love it, guys. Oh, look at that one. Oh, really? There's a lot of lovers here, huh? I love this one. The enjoyment of this ladies and guys here. Wow! What's happening here? I feel the enjoyment of this music.
Amudang tokjaba kumjagi yaoshang kumaini ay koigi sana laibaki.
Impressive performance.
Kabali ay koigi mutpanalaba.
I like the lady putting the flowers here. Oh, that's all, guys. Oh, wow, that was a very impressive performance of this. Wow, I think these guys and ladies here very talented, very perfect music video for those watching here today. This is gonna be a perfect choreography and videography, guys, and I will salute you all production team of this video, guys. So just continue what are you doing right now, guys. Continue making this kind of a music video, especially a Manipur song, guys. I love it. I love to hear a Manipur song. So that's it for today's, guys. I hope you enjoy and you will be happy about my reaction of video for today's, guys. And please, for those are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit my bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So just one reminders, guys, if you want to shout out your name, you only have to do is write your name on my comment section, so that every time that I'm going to make another video, after I react my video, guys, I will shout out all of your name. And I hope all of you guys enjoying my reaction video for today. So until the next reaction of video, guys, I love you all and thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.